Hey guys, I'm back again here with another video. This is going to be a quick how-to replace your earmuffs on the Beats Studio headphones. These are my personal pair. I've had them for years, but the existing earmuffs are starting to kind of fall apart. So I ordered some replacement ones, and I'll show you how to actually pull them off. But one thing you have to keep in mind is there is two separate and two different earmuffs. So you have to make sure that you put them in the correct order. So, because one of the sides has the charging. So basically the one that I pulled off was this one right here, which is the left one. So this one right here corresponds to the left. Here's kind of what it looks like when you take off the earmuff. And then it has little indentions right here that you kind of just match up with the replacement unit. So in this particular scenario, this one I believe goes like that. Yeah, goes like that. So you pull this off, just make sure that this part right here is clean, and you'll take the protective tape off, and then what we'll do is we'll just snap this back so we can kind of see, and then essentially it looks like just line up the notches. So there's one. That's that one installed. Now I'll show you how to take this particular one off. So you get a tool with this particular pack that I got, and I'll link the one that I have purchased. But essentially you just have to kind of go right here in between the two layers, and then just kind of stick this. It looks kind of like a guitar pick, but kind of just stick it in between the two layers. And then just kind of turn it gently until the actual adhesive starts coming off. Okay, this is not an ideal scenario, but this piece right here does have to come out. There we go. So this piece has now been removed. All the adhesive is off of it. This tool is trash. And let's go ahead and install this. And same scenario, just line up. There's a couple of guide holes, or you can just match up where you just put this in there. There we go. Just like new. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video on these. But like I said, I'll post the brand, the one that I was using to remove it. It's an okay kit. This really is trash. Your best bet is if you have a non-marring toolkit. or just a tool that you use for plastics, like for removing car trim pieces. That's gonna be your best bet. But it did the job. Or if you have a guitar pick, it's even better. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.